Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to reply to a pin in a chat on the Pinterest app for PC, especially with the latest update that makes this process smoother than ever. First, open the Pinterest app on your computer. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find a menu. Among the options there, click on Messages. This is where all your chats live, making it easy to keep your conversations and ideas flowing. Next, find the chat that contains the pin you want to reply to and click on it to open the conversation. Now, here's the cool part. When you hover your cursor over the pin in the chat, you'll notice a reply icon appear. This is your direct pathway to responding specifically about that pin. Click on that reply icon and a small text box will pop up, ready for your message. Type in your reply, whether it's a quick thought, a question, or an idea related to the pin. Once you're happy with your message, simply click Send. And that's it. Your reply will appear directly linked to that pin, making it easier for both you and the person you're chatting with to keep track of the conversation around specific ideas or inspirations. This new way of replying helps keep your chats organized and makes the whole Pinterest messaging experience more interactive and engaging. No more scrolling endlessly, trying to figure out which message corresponds to which pin. Everything stays clear and connected. So next time you're brainstorming with friends, planning projects, or sharing your favorite finds, remember these simple steps to reply right on the pin itself. It's fast, intuitive, and really enhances how you communicate within the Pinterest app on your PC. Thanks for watching,